on. Damn, motherfucker choked. Oh. Oh, broke me. Yep. Stop. I'm trying to free you. Smallmouth. Oh! Damn! They should like dig up a channel that goes all the way around for like you know, shore fishing. How can I totally take my one wound fisher?
What's on the other side of this?
Highway. Ooh. That's big one. Come on, get tired. Get tired. Get tired. Oh boy. Don't. Motherfucker. That's got to be a 3. Looking out, like you see, I mean it's hard to see, but you see a little grass poking out.
I see it right there.
Yeah, that's where you want to be at, especially with a jig. You don't want to do that with a Ned rig.
Right.
You want to do it with a jig. Damn, that guy's all over the place. Oh, there's another guy. Yeah, that one's kind of scale worthy. Yeah, you gotta Fucking feel them out, man. They're down at the bottom. I'm gonna say two, little over 2.
1.5 maybe?
Maybe. No, that's not a 3. Clear that. Okay. Oh, that's kilograms. That's why I'm like, what the fuck? 2 1/4. Like I said.
Quarter?
Yeah.